Panel of state child health experts is urging state lawmakers to make changes next year to reduce the rate of child gun deaths in North Carolina. We rank 12th in the country, well above the national average for young lives lost to firearms. WRAL's Capitol Bureau Chief Laura Leslie listened in on today's meeting and joins us now live with what they're asking for. Laura.
Deborah, one of the changes they're seeking is in how adults are held responsible when children get access to their guns and hurt or kill someone. You might remember the death of 8-year-old Genesis Dockery in Fayetteville last year. She was at her babysitter's house when the babysitter's son shot her with a gun the boy got at his grandfather's house. Under current law, only a gun owner who lives in a household with a child can be held responsible for not securing their weapon. Well, in the Dockery case, no one ever was. The State Child Fatality Task Force voted today to recommend removing the residency requirement and making all gun owners responsible for storing their guns securely. William Lassiter is the state chief of juvenile justice.
We did a study in the state of North Carolina last year. 60% of the guns that were stolen were stolen from vehicles. And in those vehicles, the majority of them were not locked up. The vehicle wasn't locked up, and the gun was not locked up inside the vehicle.
The task force also asked for state funding for a safe gun storage awareness campaign. State lawmakers actually required that campaign a couple of years ago, but they never put in any funding for it. It's been running on a federal grant. WRAL's documentary unit did a whole piece on exactly this issue. It's titled Unsafe: North Carolina Kids Dying from Gun Violence. You can watch it online at WRAL.com.